Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can install shaders on Minecraft. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Optifine. Open the official website, go to the Downloads tab on the website and reveal all versions of Optifine. Now download the one that is compatible with your Minecraft version. After that, open a new tab and search for Sildur Shaders. Open the official website and again go to the Downloads tab. Now there are several specified shaders, so download any one you like. And after it is downloaded completely, open the Downloads folder. Run Optifine and install it. As I have already installed it, I won't do it again, and after installation, copy the shader file. Open the Minecraft launcher, but if you are running T-Launcher like me, you can install Optifine from this menu. After installing Optifine using either method, run Minecraft and go to the Options tab. Inside it, go to the Video Settings feature, and you can see that I am running Optifine. Now click on Shaders, then Shaders folder and paste the shader file. Select the shader inside Minecraft, and that's it. You can see that the shader has been applied. And that's how you can install shaders on Minecraft. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.